Sold as is. Whenever you browse online for Autowini vehicles in our website, you will find many types of vehicles. Sold as is stand for sold as is shown on the website. Whenever you check one of the vehicles, you will see a box area on the top right. Here you can find all the information disclosed about the vehicle, such as condition, status, transmission, VIN number, steering wheel, fuel type, engine volume, and much more. You can always check the photos for see more details of the parts of the vehicle you're interested in, and you can also check on the videos you have available. We recommend you, when checking the vehicles, listen to the engine running and you can hear all the revolutions per minute inside the vehicle. And last but not least, when you scroll down, you can see all the other options you have available on the vehicle and other gadgets that the vehicle may come with, such as back rear camera and so on. If you have any more questions, you can always contact our staff. Thank you.
Autowini.